Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by proving the device is yours. This avoids illegal bypass. First, record the model, IMEI, and the Google account tied to the phone because support teams will ask. Once done, collect the receipt or order number and the recovery email or phone. Make sure you can access those. Keep the battery above 50% and connect the phone to the internet so remote tools and account checks can work. These facts save time and keep the process official and traceable. Next, focus on account-based recovery and official remote tools. These respect security while restoring access. Attempt Google account recovery for the registered email. Follow prompts to reset credentials rather than attempting device hacks. If you have remote management enabled, you can use the provider's official functions to lock or, as a last resort, perform an authorized erase. Understand erasing removes local data. If those fail, contact the device manufacturer or carrier. Explain ownership and provide ID so they can guide a supported reset. Finally, pursue an authorized reset through the manufacturer or carrier. Technicians will verify ownership before performing a factory reset or secure reprovision. Once authorized, follow their instructions. Make sure you understand that local data may be permanently lost, and that reactivation may require the original account credentials. If service denies help, escalate with clear proof of purchase and serial numbers. Troubleshooting tip: if verification fails, ask support which specific documents or account steps they need. This usually resolves most holdups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.